Good evening. Welcome to Current Affairs. In today's session, we'll be discussing various topics under current affairs as we do every time. Now I am going to open the document. I'll be showing you the points, then we'll have a discussion. Stay tuned. I am opening the document. Kindly have a look at this. So the first one on the screen is you can see the image of a river, and that river is Teesta River. Teesta River is always there in the news, and this is considered to be one of the disputed matters between India and Bangladesh. Now the question is, in which of the following states Teesta River flows? Sikkim, Assam, Mizoram, Tripura. So most of you are aware of this one. In fact, this flows through, this is Sikkim and West Bengal. Then it will be entering into Bangladesh. Now, if you look at the options, you can look at the option A, that is Sikkim. That should be the correct answer. But for your information, it flows through both Sikkim as well as West Bengal. Fine. So these are the points which are very important. Now, I'll be going ahead to show you, the more points. Look at this now. Teesta River is a 315-kilometer long river that rises in the eastern Himalayas. You have learnt all these things during your geography classes. And it flows through the Indian states of Sikkim and West Bengal through Bangladesh and enters the Bay of Bengal. And it forms a border between Sikkim and West Bengal. This is also another important point. Next, we'll be going ahead. Have a look at this. Look at this. Important one. India has how much percentage of world's fresh water? India has how much percentage of world's fresh water? 2%, 3%, 4% or 5%? Important. Again, it is important because every time we are coming across the news which is related to water, especially during the summers, there is so much of scarcity of water. People walk for long distances to get some water, 1 part, 2 parts of water. Now, this particular question is considered to be very important. India has how much percentage of the world's fresh water? 2%, 3%, 4% or 5%? And the answer is 4%. Look at this. India has 4% of the world's fresh water, and this 4% of the world fresh water has to cater to the needs of 17% of the world population. We already know that India is the second largest populated nation in the world. First is China, followed by India, and India is occupying, this 17% of the world population is living in India, and this for 17%, you have just 4% of the world's fresh water. So obviously, some serious measures have to be taken for this. According to Niti Aayog report, which was released in June 2018, India is facing the worst ever water crisis in history. Very, very, very important. This is going to be very serious. This is going to be very grim. This is going to be very problematic. That is the reason why both governments as well as the citizens must take every care. Look at this. Approximately 600 million people, are roughly around 45% of the population in India, is facing high to severe water stress. Very, 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 very important. Look at this. 45% of our population is facing this particular problem already, and they are facing high to severe water crisis, and this is going to be more serious in future. Look at this. The report says that nearly 40% of the population will have absolutely no access to drinking water by 2030. Very, 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 very important one. So this shows the seriousness of the situation that is existing. My dear friends, whenever you are coming across with water, issues related to water, environment, all these things are important for the examination. Whether you are writing the examinations like this civil service examination or group 1, group 2 at the state level, all these points are very, very important. Next, another important one: which of the following mission is aimed at studying Bennu asteroids? Look at this: ABCD, Osiris Rex, Hayabusa, InSight, Parker Solar Probe. Important one, and the answer is option A. What is this A? Let's have a look at this. Look at this one. So this is NASA's Origins Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, Security, Regolith Explorer. So this is what is the meaning of the Osiris Rex. So this mission is aimed at studying Bennu asteroid, and Osiris Rex mission began orbiting the asteroid on December 31st last year. Important one, as a part of space technology, these type of questions are asked in the examination. Next one. So this is expected to return the samples to Earth in 2023, and before attempting to obtain a sample from the asteroid, it will map out Bennu's surface in detail and orbit the asteroid to calculate its mass. It's one of the important missions currently that is going on, and this is being taken care by NASA. Next one, you are all aware of this one. World Water Day is observed annually across the globe on March 20th, 21st, 22nd or 24th, and your answer is option C, that is March 22nd. Important one, and kindly have a look at this. So this is the information once again. World Water Day is observed annually across the globe on 22nd March with the purpose of highlighting the importance of water and raising awareness about the water crisis that the world faces. Very, very, very important. Every international day is observed to create awareness among the people, and World Water Day is no exception. And when it comes to, according to UN website, the main focus of the day is to support the achievement of sustainable development goals, water and sanitation for all by the year 2030. We have already discussed in our classes what is the sustainable development and what are these sustainable development goals, how many are there, and what is the target and when it has been initiated. Every information you have with you, and kindly revise all the points from time to time. And when it comes to the theme for the year 2021 is valuing water, to highlight the value of water in our daily lives. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next class with more and more current affairs. Take very good care, and I wish you all a very, very good luck.